Hello, and welcome to part 2 of this 4-part series, How to Start an Online Store. If this is the first video you've landed on, then I highly recommend just popping back to last week's episode and watching that video first, as part 1 introduces this series and also provides you with some really helpful information to get you started with your online store. Okay, so as a recap, in part 1, we went through identifying your customer avatar, choosing your niche product, deciding on your business name, creating a mood board and basic branding, creating your custom domain, and setting up all your social media accounts. In part 2, we'll go through how you can create and or source the perfect product to sell on your online store. So step 1 is to create or source the perfect product for your customer. Here's the thing, if you're a creative business owner, I'm guessing that ideas come to you left, right and center. You might have a long list of products you want to create or sell. Or if you're planning to source your products, you might be tempted to try a whole range of different things to see what sticks. But before you create or add a single product to your online store, you always want to go back to your ideal customer avatar. Will he or she really want the product that you want to sell? You want to always have your ideal customer in mind to make sure you're not wasting your time creating or sourcing products that will never sell. Back to our ideal customer avatar, the example that I used in part 1 of this series. A young female gym goer who's looking to buy a healthy vegan treat. If we're looking to sell a product that she really wants, it would look like a plant-based coconut and chocolate flavored protein ball. It's a niche product for the niche market. So you wouldn't want to go ahead and start trying to sell her homewares, things like comfy cushions or rugs or inspirational mugs, for example. It may seem ridiculous as I'm talking about it here, but you really don't want to be selling all the things. It's been proven time and time again that creating a niche product for a niche market will always outperform a general store that just sells a whole heap of different things. A general store that might not have any clarity or focus. Okay, so the second and final step in this framework, it's a short one, is to create your mock-up and product images. Now that you've created and sourced the perfect product, it's now time to start taking some photos of your products that you can then upload into your online store. If you're sourcing your products, wherever possible, make sure that you've got the physical product, and then you can take your own product photos, as sometimes the photos that you get from your suppliers are either low quality or are not up to the standard that most people would like to put on their online store. So try taking 5 to 10 photos in different settings. This way your customer can get a better understanding on how they can use your product. I find lifestyle photos work really well for an online store, as it helps your potential customer visualize the product that they can use in their everyday life. So I'll just go through a few helpful tips to help you set up your shoot at home. So try to set up your camera in natural light where possible. Turn off all your artificial light. If possible, use a tripod, or if you can't use a tripod, just put your camera or phone on top of a stack of books, just so that it's all stable and your photos come out really clear. So just get scrappy. Why not get a couple of foam core boards or white card to create a light box to house your product, and add interest by adding in props or other objects to help give the photo a bit of perspective. Take shots from multiple angles and in different lighting. You can never have too many photos, so just keep shooting and shooting and shooting until you take up all the memory card. And then use editing tools and software to help you get that perfect image. Okay, so there we go. How to create or source the perfect product for your online store. This was the second part in this 4-part series. If you've ever dreamed of starting your own online store, why not check out my free course, Build Your Online Store. It's a 3-module starter course that goes through how to start your online store. It goes through how to sign up with Shopify, how to choose, upload, and customize your Shopify theme, and goes through how to set up your online store ready for you to upload your products and start selling. I'll leave a link in the description box below so you can go check it out. In part 3 of this video series, I'll be going through how you can develop your online store so you have it all ready for launch. You can go check it out now by clicking the link here on this screen, and I'll see you over there. Bye for now.